Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another neon sign. Now this was a little bit of a surprise, I didn't know it was coming, but apparently Lumoonosity actually went ahead and sent out the live neon sign, which I actually really wanted because it's very important for me for recording or live streaming. I could just put this up on my door and it would be really good. And in the intro, I'll probably put a smart assistant of what I have on my door. This helps a lot for me, and hopefully if you are interested, it will be linked in the description. This retails for about $40. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but I highly recommend purchasing one of these. Let's get straight into it. So this is an original design by Lumoonosity. So basically what that means is not many of your friends will have it. Let's get straight into it. Satisfactory card here. Some adhesive, which I might use actually. You have a installation card as well. And the neon sign right here. It does have an on and off switch too, which not many brands do have. Just going to peel off this plastic. All right, so we got the plastic off, nice and clean. So that's what it looks like so far. Really nice. This is a high quality acrylic on the bottom. So for this, since it's a USB, you can use it on anything like a power bank or any USB port. I'm gonna show you with the lights and then without the lights. So 3, 2, 1. That's what it looks like. It's very visible even with all this lighting, which is really nice. So it's a 2 colorway, pink on the inside, blue on the outside. I'm pretty sure they'll try to do more variations of this in the future. So maybe a red inside and maybe a blue on the outside or something like that. I'm gonna turn off the lights now. All right, and we're gonna show you what it looks like with the lights off in 3, 2, 1. Really nice. So the camera had to fix the exposure there, but it looks really nice. The diffusion is really clean. All the lettering is good and really nice overall. I really do like this so far. That's what it looks like on the back. So you can see the LEDs. It still looks really clean on the back too. So they did a really good job on this. You don't see a whole lot of wiring from the front, which is nice. So yeah, that's what that looks like. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to set it up on anywhere basically. Little adhesive that they included. This one will not tear your walls or paint because it's like a command strip type of glue that they use. So let me see how the cable length is. It's actually fairly long, but if you do need more length, you can just get a USB extender and put it somewhere else. I might use that. I'm not too sure. It depends on how far it is from my door. I'm going to be putting it on a GoSund smart outlet. That way I can turn on and off the neon sign with just saying one command, and that command will turn on my LED strips as well as the neon sign at the same time. Alright, so if you're wondering on how I actually control it with my smart assistant, I do have a smart outlet right here, and there's 3 USB ports. I'm using one of them, and I can control that with my Amazon or Google Assistant. Turn on recording lights. Okay. And then it'll power the USB. Right now it's not connected, but it'll turn on both of them. So yeah, that's what I do, and it's really simple. And then it could turn it off by also saying turn off recording lights. Okay. And it'll turn off. So that's really helpful. Also, they do have a game controller version of it, which I also did a review of, and it's a 3 colorway, so it's a yellow, pink, and blue. They're also having a new one of that, separate colorway. I think there's some green in it, I believe. You'll see in the future. I might do a video on that. Pretty sure if they send it to me. That's pretty much all I have for the video. If you want to support my channel, all you have to do is just click the link in the description and you can purchase it if you want. No forcing though. All up to you.